Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to connect your PipeDrive to Sendspark. So this is very simple. You can actually, let me actually make this a little bit smaller. You can actually go here to Sendspark or to your account actually, and go to My Account or Manage Workspace. It's fine, and you can go here to Integrations. You also have that option right here. You can scroll down until you see PipeDrive right here. Okay, so you can click on Edit, and of course you'll be asked for a code that you can go here and get it. So let me show you. Go to PipeDrive. You need to click on this very first option that says Leads. Okay, you will probably have web visitors directly. I'm just running a trial here, so that's why I have this option. But upon clicking here, I'll get to the page where, of course, I'll be able to grab the information that I need. So let us actually wait for a moment here while it loads. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. So you'll get a full script right here, and the very end code that will get between brackets before, of course, the tag closes. This is the one. This is what we want. So simply copy it and bring it here to Sendspark, paste it, and yep, I can just save it there. So it is, of course, just not allowing me to save it because I just had that before. So that's what you need to do. So let me know, please, if you have any questions. Have a great day.